Just turn it up a bit more. I was at 320 velocity, 4,700 millimeters per second XL. Now I am at 480 millimeters per second velocity, 7,200 millimeters per second XL. And this is all at 200 millimeters per second print speed on a 0.2 millimeter nozzle, 1.5 millimeter layer height, I believe 1.35 millimeter layer width, and yeah, still have to do some tuning, but pretty pleased so far. That's out of focus. Can't keep up. There you go. I don't think this is a very good piece to time, you know, or actually do a speed print. I'm gonna try something else, but I am just gonna post this just to give you an idea of what is possible. And yeah, I'm definitely going to be tuning this because this is a 0.2mm nozzle, and I have not done any pressure advance tuning or retraction tuning with this nozzle. I've been sticking with the 0.4mm nozzle since I opened the box 2 months ago. And yeah, hopefully we'll get better results. Maybe be able to push this thing a little bit faster. For now, all I've done is overvolt the Noctua for the parts cooling assembly. That's the one right up top, that one right here, and that's at 13.5 volts. So 12 volts is 5.5 cubic feet per minute. Hopefully did help a little bit. I can't tell you the exact values, but plastic is not as molten as it was before. Alright, let's see how long that took. Let that cool down. I could turn autofocus on. Hopefully you can see it. Oh my god. There you go. I'm just going to stick with manual focus. Alright, so this is the print. Again, I'm just going to let it cool down. But here are the stats. We got, let's see, it was printed at 190 filament temp and 60 for the base plate. Did that in 12 minutes 46 seconds. Chain link V3 200 G code. Let me just show you the print settings. And so I already exported it. Couldn't figure out the time, but most of the time it gives me a rough idea. These are the print settings I used. And let's see, width and flow. Yeah, 0.35 millimeters width. That's the layer height. Infill 15%. Printer settings, nothing fancy. Let's see. Yeah, just my retraction settings. And that's it. Let me take the print off. We'll take a good look at it. That's all I printed. I do have earlier prints of this chain link that I'll find and show you guys. That was obviously done with the 0.4 millimeter nozzle. I believe each one took me like a half hour to 45 minutes. And yeah, this one took about 12 minutes. The other one was also at a much slower speed, but I will find that and we will compare. Those are nearly perfect. They are tuned for their settings. And yep. So here is chain guides I printed earlier. Far earlier. These are printed on a 0.4 millimeter nozzle at 0.2 millimeter layer height. And let's see, is this an auto? Yep. Let's just focus right there. So you can see all of these chain links had good bed adhesion, no elephant foot or anything like that. We'll see what the other one, once it dries, what's the temperature right now. Yeah, the bed is still at 49 degrees. I could take it off. Just need to find a sharp blade. Usually I like to wait till it's in the 30s. That's close enough to room temp. Yeah, can't even find a blade in this mess. I don't even want to show you guys my room, but yeah, hopefully I can take this off momentarily. Sorry for the delay. I am tired. Alright, bed is off. Okay, so it has not warped, which is great. Bed adhesion on this one. Let's just put it sideways. Gotta wash it off so you can get a good look at it. That's just glue. No adhesion problems as far as I can tell. You can see the layer pretty clearly. What else? Again, no elephant footing on this one. I do have issues with cooling initially. Doesn't really warp to the side too much, but I'm gonna have to work on my cooling. Definitely requires a little cooling, but for 0.15 millimeter layer height, no tuning, nothing like that, I am very happy. Let's see if it snaps in. Sorry for the band-aids. It's all these blades. I've been doing a lot of test prints. So here's the quality difference. So a lot of potential in this one. These again were tuned and done everything, so I have room to go in these. They work, tolerances are tight, and yeah, hopefully we can take care of these little issues and make this thing perfect.